In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a best offer to your eBay listings. This feature can be a great way to increase your sales by allowing potential buyers to negotiate the price with you. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, we start by heading over to ebay.com and logging into your account. This is your gateway to begin creating or editing your listings. Once you've successfully logged in, ensure you're on the home page to easily navigate through the options. Next, navigate to the selling section where you'll find the option to create a new listing or modify an existing one. This is crucial as you need to have an active listing draft to which you can add the best offer feature. Simply click on Create Listing if you're starting fresh, or choose drafts to work on a pre-existing plan you want to modify. Once you've accessed your draft, you'll see the option to Resume Draft. Clicking this will bring up all the details you've entered for this particular item, taking you to the editing page where all the magic happens. In the description section, you have the freedom to craft your own words to entice potential buyers. However, if you prefer a little help generating content, eBay offers an AI description feature. This can save you time and enhance your listing, especially if writing descriptions isn't your strongest suit. Moving on to the pricing options. Find and click on the See Pricing Options link, which will open up further possibilities for setting how you'd like to handle pricing for the item. Here's where you enable the best offer feature, making negotiations possible. Toggle on the best offer option. This single action allows buyers to see that they have the opportunity to negotiate the price. But to fine-tune how you want these offers handled, you'll also need to toggle on Allow Offers. This additional setting ensures you're open to receiving and reviewing offers from potential buyers. Now you need to set your boundaries. Enter the minimum and maximum offer amounts you're willing to entertain. While the minimum protects you from receiving excessively low offers, the maximum lets buyers know the absolute upper limit they could propose. Additionally, don't forget to indicate the item's country of origin. This can be a selling point for certain buyers and is essential for those focused on the origin of the products they purchase. Finally, when all settings are configured to your satisfaction, just click List It. By doing this, your product becomes live with the best offer feature enabled, inviting potential buyers to engage and interact with your offer. And there you have it, a comprehensive way to make your listings more attractive and engaging. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on eBay.